Hey guys, got a 2020 plate Nissan QASHQAI here. Just going to show you the location of the OBD port on this one. So on this one, you're going to come down to the driver's side where the steering wheel is. If you open the door, you can access it easier. So you want to come under the steering wheel. Then just under the steering wheel here, there's a cover you can pull off. Pull that cover off, and then just under there you can see the white OBD port right there, and that's when you're going to plug in your diagnostics.